Accessibility, from our point of view in plant services, is designing our schools and our facilities so that they're available and easy to access for everyone, for all of our staff, all of our students, all of our visitors, not just our schools, but our sites, our facilities, and that we want to try to remove as many physical and we're also responsible for a little bit of removing communication barriers as well with signage and such. And we work with student services and planning departments and various other departments to find out needs and responding to those and bringing everything up. Even our oldest schools, where we try to bring up to as much accessibility as possible so that everybody can access all of our spaces, all of our facilities, all of everything that the school board has to offer, that there's no limitations for anybody of any ability or gender identity or sexual identity or anything, that everybody can access all of our facilities. I know I was involved with, recently we added a ramp to a portable to provide access in one of our non-air conditioned elementary schools for a community class that is in the school, for them to provide access to a air conditioned portable for them to go in, which is useful right now in the hot June that we're having. That project we were able to complete in 2 weeks from being assigned to it, because we do have an existing contract with a contractor to do such work. We were able to mobilize and get it done in a 2-week period.